Did we really land on the moon? The moon landing is one of the most famous events in history, but some still believe it was faked. Let's break this down. First, have you ever really thought about what it would take to fake the moon landing? The Saturn V rocket did launch, and millions of people saw it happen. The hardware was real. Faking something like that wouldn't just involve the rocket itself, it would mean faking an entire history of innovation. NASA was riding on decades of breakthroughs, from test flights to unmanned missions, paving the way to Apollo. There are entire office buildings filled with blueprints for the design of the Saturn V rocket. Thousands of hours of engineering work. To fake the moon landing, you'd have to fake all of these documents, records, and the rocket launch itself. Not to mention the hundreds of thousands of people who worked on this project, from scientists to engineers and contractors across the country. And that's not all. There are footprints on the moon, experiments and equipment left behind. NASA left devices that gathered vital information about the moon's surface and its environment. It's easier to just go to the moon rather than fake all of this. Plus, there were 6 manned missions to the moon, each bringing back real lunar samples and data. Scientists today still study those samples, confirming their origin. These lunar rocks contain isotopic compositions unique to the moon's environment, something that can't be fabricated. And don't forget about the reflectors left behind. These are retroreflectors that still allow scientists to bounce lasers off the moon's surface to precisely measure the distance between Earth and the moon. This is real, measurable proof, direct evidence of human activity on the moon. So, when you look at all the evidence, going to the moon was way easier than faking it. Follow for more debunked myths and historical facts.